GoPro, start recording. Hi, my name is Benjamin Ortega and everything you're about to see has been shot on the GoPro. Exactly 1 month ago, I had an important 3 AM Zoom call with GoPro and 9 legendary creators to talk about the new HERO10. This year is special. GoPro won us, the 10 creators, to showcase what this new camera is capable of.
This is like, let me show you what this camera is capable of and the beauty that is gonna come along with it.
That's actually really
While Abe was dropping his mic, I was actually getting distracted by that praying mantis that just rocked up in the kitchen. And I was trying to figure out if this little thing was maybe trying to tell me something. The next day, I decided to hop on my bike and join some friends to learn something I wanted to learn for my whole life. Something that will be essential for the rest of this story. Okay, sorry, this has absolutely nothing to do with the story. It was just my friend Ricard and I, Leon and I, testing the new 4K 120. Oh, that's so good! Back to the actual story, and when I hop on this bike to join these friends and do that thing that I wanted to do for such a long time. Now, it's time to go to the Gili Island with the crew, and it's a 2 hours ride. See you in 3 days on bike. And this is our speedboat. And welcome to Gili Travangan, mostly known as Gili Tea, with incredible crystal clear water. And so excited about the next few days and to finally learn some free diving skills. Welcome to free diving Gili. So welcome to freediving in Gili Tea. And this is something that I wanted to do for such a long time, learning how to freedive. Let's see how a course like this one can improve my underwater skills and how much I'll be able to maybe swim with some whale sharks afterwards. So good to finally do this. But now it's pretty late, so we just filled up all the papers because of course when you're doing a lesson like this, free diving or scuba diving, there's a little bit of paperwork, especially if something goes wrong. And we had a 2 hours theory session and now we're gonna finally get into the pool. After playing around in the pool, perfect, now we're ready. It was finally time to do our longest breath hold.
3:15.
3:15. Feels good. Really relaxing. Now that we had enough training into the pool, let's get into the ocean. Oh, my flip-flops are not supposed to come with me. Perfect. We have the GoPro in the dome, the flippers, the mask, snorkel, and the boat. Oh. Such a cool day to be out. But can we talk about how crisp the 4K 120 looks underwater? That's wait until you see it actually in the ocean and with the corals next to it. Everyone's stress level started to rise because it was time to push our limits and go to the deepest we've ever been. Okay, now that we cleared all the steps, we managed to save each other's lives by bringing Mike, the instructor, back from 10 meters all the way up. So we had to pull him up like this, wake him up like this. Succeeded in that. We also managed to get to the deepest that we have been so far on that trip, which was 21 meters, I think, which was very sick because I've been to 20 meters before and I was doing it very unconsciously. And today I really felt like we had all the knowledge and it was actually way easier than I expected. It just, you have to follow the steps in life. You should not cut the steps, especially when it's that important. But now it's the reward because here it's one of the nicest coral reef spot here in the Gili Islands. 5 meters deep with some amazing reef. I guess you can see it through the camera now. And then it goes to a nice little cliff that goes all the way to 17 meters. So yeah, that's gonna be the best part. See you soon, Gili, hopefully. That was amazing. We saw so many things, learned so many things, and now we're about to get the anchor and head back to Lombok. Hopefully, next couple of days, being able to swim with some slightly bigger fish. That would be amazing. Maybe some whale sharks, don't know. But now at least we have all the knowledge, we have the certificate, level 1 freediving ticked. This feels so good to finally learn how to do this properly. Bye! The next day, I decided to take it chill and just go out for an easy surf session with some friends. Let's go! Okay, back to the actual story. It was now time to jump on the ferry on the northeast side of Lombok. close. And why are we on that ferry? Because we have to go from Lombok to Sumbawa. It's my first time getting onto that island, which is the island on the east side of Lombok. Look at that. It's not every day you get to adventure a new place, a new island like this. And I'm so looking forward to go because apparently it's way wilder than Lombok. And on top of that, there are whale sharks. So I don't think there could be any better way to test out this new GoPro 10. After docking in Sumbawa, we had to check out this tiny island next to the harbor. And that's the island I was talking about. How tiny is this thing? When you have such a tiny island, you kind of have to go and check it out, to climb that mini hill. Excuse me, anyone knows the way to go to... knows the way to get to the island? See you guys later. Matthias speaks fluent Indonesian and he has just asked Fun if there is anyone that would like to take us on his fishing boat and go to that island. Yeah? Boom! Fuck, that was... Let's go! That was quick. He said we were gonna get the fastest boat to get there. The guy who owns the boat. That one! I don't even know if we can all fit in this. Maybe I should leave my computer in the car. Whoa, 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 whoa! Yeah, no. What the fuck? Almost made it! If this is not a paradise, what is it? Welcome to 𝐜'𝐞𝐬𝐭 Island here in Sumbawa. A tiny island where I'm probably able to walk all around in less than, I would say in less than 30 minutes. I really want to try to do a time warp from here all the way to the end of the hill at the top and see how stable it would be. So I'm gonna set it on 4K 4.3 so I can reframe it a bit, auto time, and then linear and horizon leveling. Okay, back to the actual story. After hours of driving and countless FPV drone shots, we made it to our hotel for the night. Oh wow, so freaking cool. And this is the bathroom, where a very early wake-up call was awaited the next day. Good night for now. Today was finally that day. That day we were all been waiting for. Look at that! That's where we're gonna actually sleep now. Pagi, Rio!
Selamat pagi semua.
Rio is gonna be our guide for this expedition today. Thank you for having us.
Yes.
So what is the plan? Now we leave from here?
Yeah, from here and
1 hour?
going to the point to 1 hour.
1 hour. Okay, so that's why we have the bed, so we can actually finish the night.
Yeah, it's...
Okay, let's do this, huh? Sweet, that's beautiful. location apparently.
Guys,
Yeah, I think there was a shark just next to the boat.
don't panic,
Holy smoke! Wow, it is huge! Look at under this one! Let's not waste any more time, let's go ahead. Okay, let's get the gears ready. Let's get all the GoPro sets, one in the dome, one facing me. I forgot to shoot an outro. But it's too late, there is no sun anymore. Where should I put this one? No. That looks nice. Okay, so I hope you guys liked the video. I'll put the 9 other creators video down under in my description. And I've also heard that maybe if this video gets 1 million views, I'll get an extra 10 cameras to give out to you guys. So please share it as much as you can to your friends, family, and even to that praying mantis if you also have one that rocks up in your kitchen. Yeah, I think that's it. See you guys in the next video. GoPro, stop the recording. GoPro, stop that video. GoPro, stop recording. Ah, is it little photo time?
Yeah.
Can I take a photo with you guys?
Yes.
Yes. Cheers. 1, 2, 3. It's a video.
Like and subscribe.
like and subscribe.
Yes. Yes.
Like and subscribe.
Nanti itu yang bikin
Terima kasih.
orang ketawa.
Thank you.
Yeah.